Diabadass is the streaming platform to learn directly from the badass diabetics you know and follow. Now offering live yoga, HIIT, meditation, and more. Use code ERIC to get the first month free.
So I want all of them to prepare it at their home at least once. Then I know that they will prepare it more than
Get it all the way before we go. Need a plan to make it up as we go. It's feeling like this time. I said that every time. Living life without the shine. Can I have another try?
Speaking of fiber, do we want to dive into the millet dosa?
Millet dosa, as I told you, it's very easy to prepare. You just need millet powder.
Yeah, and where do you get that here?
Here I give it to my maid to grind it in the, what you say?
Like a local flour mill.
Yeah, correct.
So in the US, I'm sure we buy in a grocery store, but
Yeah,
here you just walk it
correct.
somewhere and you can get whatever you want ground.
Fresh we get. So the day before, one day before night, you have to just grind one glass of black gram, and you can add 3 glasses of millet powder to it. It will ferment overnight. In the morning, you just, as I have showed in the video, just you have to take a pan and you have to spread it. So we have added chutney also, which will be very delicious to eat with the dosa. So this is the one kind of chutney which we have showed in our video. We can have lots more chutney which is very easy to do. Yeah.
What's the basis of a chutney?
Chutney, see, we need half a cup of coconut. I think you get that grated coconut you will get in US.
Yeah, we're not sitting here grinding away in the kitchen. That's the main reason I've been doing yoga.
Yeah, correct. See, here we do all manually, so we don't need all that exercise. Everything, grating coconut and bending so much to take that curry powder, and also we do everything manually. It's good also. It's good, we stay healthy.
So we have the shredded coconut.
So yeah, you need a coconut, half a cup, and green chili, ginger. Ginger gets lots of nice flavor to the chutney. So green chili and coriander,
Nice.
Garlic and onion, little bit of tamarind. So what I'm saying, if you don't find coriander in your America, sometime you don't have coriander or tamarind at home.
Right.
So you can just add coconut and 3-4 green chilies, grind it in the mixer, chutney is ready.
Easy.
Yeah, so we have so many different types of chutney that we'll show them in next video.
Nice.
So next one is our upma. Upma is also very easy to do, as you have been learning from me.
Is upma the same as rava?
Yeah, rava, it is a broken wheat. For that actually we need onion, mustard, gram, black gram. Again, if you don't have that gram and all, only mustard, onion and bay leaf, curry leaf is enough.
Nice.
And green chili. Just saute it and heat rava with it for 5 minutes. Then add hot water. For 1 cup of rava, you have to add 2 cups of water.
Yeah.
So,
and you just saute the rava, which is I think the same as couscous, just for the flavor, right?
Yeah, its flavor will change. When you heat it for 5 minutes, its flavor will be very good. Then you just have to add heated boiling water. Your upma is ready.
That's what's so nice. That's why I like it on bike trips is couscous or rava.
Correct.
You'll generally just pour hot water and then cover it and you're done. So it's very little kind of cooking up for it.
Correct.
Upma.
Upma for Eric. Correct. And same with the flattened rice, poha, which you told. Poha is also very healthy food.
Yeah.
That also I think you will easily get in Indian market in America.
I'm sure we can find it. And that's the same basis as the rava?
Yeah, same thing. Like you have to take onion.
Yeah, onion, garlic.
No garlic.
No garlic.
Yes, no garlic.
Alright, what spices do we have?
This is onion, ginger, small piece I have smashed it, green chilies, curry leaf, coriander leaf, and half a cup of
Shredded coconut.
coconut. Yeah. Now we have to add onion to this, curry leaf, and green chili. And for children, you can add little sugar to it, so they will love it.
Yeah.
And you can, for them, they can have that in their school also. In lunchtime also, they can eat it.
Nice.
So it's very good for working women and for their family.
Yeah, very affordable as well.
Yeah,
And
correct.
I think something that I've been surprised by is
Correct.
being in India now for 6 months. I keep saying that my stomach has never been healthier.
Yeah.
And I think that comes from the home cooking,
Yeah,
from all the
correct,
spices.
correct. And we'll show them how to prepare greens in very simple way. We just need 5 minutes again. So we'll have more videos and have fun together.
Beautiful. If there's any dishes or any meals or anything specific people want to see, let us know in the comments.
They want to know, then we'll have it. We'll upload in their video, in this video. So let them tell which dish they want, and we will have them.
Perfect.
Yeah, we'll show them in this video. Hey.
I think that's all.
Okay, bye. Bye.
Rascal.
Yes. Okay then. Come.